This is a review for the window bird feeder, and I actually got this for my mom. Put all the directions in there. Let's see what we've got inside. Wow. Okay. So let's see what we've got. Got a big stop. So, this is kind of wrapped strangely. Let's see. I'm guessing that this part, I don't know, let's see. Okay, so it goes like this. Oh, good grief. Okay, and it has little holes on the bottom for drainage, which is good. And this just hooks right in there. Like that. So that's super easy. It's all acrylic, and then you have the suction cups to hook it on your window. So if you are interested, you can check out the link below to Amazon.